Picture this, you just got your ROG Ally X and you're absolutely floored with its performance. So then you get to wondering, could it be better? Yes it can. Let's go through the best setting changes and modifications to boost your performance even more and see why it's better than the Legion Go. I'm Brim and this is 2-Bit Tech. Probably the most important one on this list is always keeping everything up to date. But before that, let's head over to the AMD app. AMD. We'll head over to all settings, preferences, and turn off all of these notifications. Then we'll go to gaming, display, and we'll turn off very bright. This will discolor your picture and make it look bad. Now in Armoury Crate, there are always so many updates and quite often too, so I'll always check out Armoury Crate in the update section. Update center, go ahead and update all. Okay, now in Armoury Crate, we'll go head over to performance, and our GPU settings, we'll allocate auto VRAM. Alright, now we'll go to settings. Here, you can add all of these things. Aura, refresh rate, screen record, take screenshot, AMF, and microphone. These are the ones that I like. Cool. Remember, editing this is for your use case only. Customize it however you want, take off whatever you want, put on whatever you want. Okay, let's head over to Windows, settings. We see here that we have an update. We'll install all updates and let them cook. Now, let's go to My Asus app. Let's click right here. And we'll go to My Asus. Woo! Alright, can I navigate here? Download and install updates now. Don't mind if I do. Are you doing it? And remember, log in and register your device for better product support. We'll go back to My Asus. Seems to be fully updated. Restart. There we go. Restart once again. Now through Aura Sync, you can change the LED lights on your joysticks. So go to the Aura effects and personalize it to your preference. This is something I never did with the other ROG Ally. I just turned them off there. I found them to be quite annoying, but here I kind of like them with the black case. Kind of makes them pop. Now let's see if after doing all of this, there was a performance boost or I was just talking on my ass. Okay, let's go to settings. Oh, can I? Yeah, I can. We'll go down to here. We'll run benchmark. Our average FPS was 47. We got a score of 8,425. But yeah, after doing all these tests, I really wasn't talking out my ass. It really did improve the FPS by 3, but it did.
It's not that much.
I mean, what are you gonna do? It did improve it.
I guess.
Was it worth it?
I don't know. You tell me how much time did you spend on it.
So is it worth it? Is a 3 to 5 FPS increase better? That's entirely up to you. Do you want to sink in like 20 to 30 minutes for overall stability, performance? I did it, and did I see a great improvement? No. It's there, but it's not great. It's not amazing. It's not like it boosted it up to like 200 frames per second, and no, it's improved. Okay, so here's the thing. When I was doing the Windows portion of the tips and tricks, something happened and I ended up sort of bricking the ROG Ally. Yeah, so I turned off virtual machine platform and toggled core isolation. And between those two, it's all said and done. They were supposed to improve FPS and overall performance. And then naturally it would be update Windows. So, after the restart, there I go. Oh, hey, I don't have internet. Oh, silly me. I must have forgotten to turn on Wi-Fi again. Honest mistake, right? Now, this isn't where I start to panic, but this is where I start to connect the dots. How did I update everything else beforehand? And how does a restart turn off your Wi-Fi? So I go, settings, try to turn it on. It's not there. Airplane mode can't even be toggled on or off. So that's not adding up. So I try to turn it on, and there isn't any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. And I'm not saying like, oh, it was off and no. It wasn't there. There wasn't an option. The drivers were gone with the wind. Like they weren't even there before. Where's my Wi-Fi? Where's my Bluetooth? I did my research beforehand and I never saw anything like that happen to anyone. So just to be completely safe, I'm not going to recommend them. They might have just been a one-off for me, but who knows? I am not super well versed with Windows. I just like using a computer. That's it. I just like turning it on, having stuff working and using it. That's it.
Dude, Windows sucks.
That's gonna make certain people mad. A lot of people. Who are you? Now, not having Wi-Fi or Bluetooth isn't something you can just live with when you have a ROG Ally. You need to keep updating. Well, you're gonna need to play multiplayer, right? You're gonna need to get on the internet. That's it.
Download games?
Download games, exactly. Download games, download everything.
What are you gonna do, hardwire it?
Yeah, which is actually what we did. We did connect an Ethernet to an Anchor. So technically we turned it into a PC without Wi-Fi because we connected the Ethernet and then it worked. And then for the mouse and keyboard we hardwired it. So it can be done. So I guess
It's a handheld.
it's a handheld, right? Yeah, it's a handheld. It's a handheld for a reason. Trying to see the bright side here. No, I would not suggest any of that. But how did I fix it? Well, I asked Juan, and when I say I asked Juan, I called him up and I was like, so I kind of deleted Wi-Fi, and his reaction was, huh?
Yeah.
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 So we tried everything under the sun. We went and researched how to install the drivers again, and nothing. A simple restart, the fix all, the one size fits all. Restart and hope it comes back again. No, nothing worked. Downloading the drivers again, didn't work. As frustrated as I was, I still needed to make the video, but I gave myself a couple days. I put it down and let it be. Worked on other things. Juan calls me up 2 days later. He's like, dude, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth's back. I'm like, what did you do? And what did you do, Juan?
Nothing.
Exactly. Nothing. We did nothing. We just turned it on and there it was.
Like magic, it just appeared again.
It did a Houdini on me. It disappeared and then came back whenever it wanted. I mean, come on. Has this happened to you? Do you mess with Windows enough that you know what I did wrong? Was it something I did? Was it something I said? Did I offend the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth gods? What? They just abandoned me in my hour of need? But yeah, it's safe to say I was stressed as heck. Anyways, Windows, just do your updates. If you're gonna mess with it, be sure that you know what you're doing, because I didn't know what I was doing. That had me feeling all schizo, like, did that really just happen? Dude, there's been a bird on my shoulder for like this entire time. Whose is this?
I don't know.
Anyways, yeah, just do your updates. That's all you have to do with Windows. So did you learn anything? Did you enjoy the video? Let me know in the comments below. If you have any tips or tricks that I missed, let us know. And thank you for watching. I'm Brim, and this little one is still nameless. If you want to give your thoughts on the name, drop it down in the comments. Help us name her. Or him. They, them.
Nope.
We won't know till they lay an egg. Till it lays an egg. If it lays an egg. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Lates.